Bonjour! Hey YouTube! I'm Hortense Bonne Humeur. Hey you! As you know, I'm in Shanghai. And you can follow my adventures on Instagram and on my YouTube page. Yeah! This week is 5 days on student life. Welcome back on 5-day challenges in Shanghai. If you're new here, please click in the link below to subscribe, or just in that corner you can join the team and the community to share experiences and traveling. For everybody who was there last week, thank you. 谢谢. Welcome back to my room and studio here in Shanghai. You. This is already the first week of September. I feel so busy. I've been doing so many things, from administrative parts, that I didn't have time to be a student, real student life. So we grew up, and then you just realize that time in a student life passed so fast. Let's live it for 1 week, only student things. YOLO! So let's go back to the basics of a student life. Going to a campus, and what is it in a business school? Living with flatmates, sharing parties and time out with friendship. Many other things maybe you probably forgot if you're not in a student life. Monday. This is the first day I'm going to study in Shanghai. Asian and business research, cross-cultural management, strategic and supply chain management, branding and retailing in Asia, digital marketing, leadership and strategy, and Chinese. I started my first lecture, which is digital marketing. This is very interesting because it's directly linked to this project of YouTube videos. So I'm gonna improve directly from my lectures to this YouTube channel. Amazing! Typically in a business school, we end with the whole project. It could be directly linked, working with a company where you deliver a project or a presentation, very concrete. Also, we're studying economic in the global world. Here in Asia is oriented China and the other parts of Asia to know better how it is working in terms of global economy. This business school, as many business schools, our teacher most of the time are working directly in a real office environment and to share their company's experiences. It's concrete and realistic. We can visit also some company. I'm going to a business trip with my class of Asian research project, how they're working, why in Asia it's so different from Europe. For example, I've spoken about WeChat, but there are some other companies and bikes like Citybike, Ofo are very common. So we share all together the same bikes as we have in Paris, Village. But here it's so different. Everything is made out of your phone. I pay by WeChat. How incredible it is. Yeah, it is new. The main difficulty also to work together. That means on WeChat, I have a lot of group discussions. Yeah! Do you know where is the party of today? Where are you eating, guys? Man, wherever you communicate, there is good mood, so communicate. In the morning, I bought a new beautiful notebook. I was really motivated because this is my first day of Mandarin class. How to write Chinese on a computer. The main difficulty here with the Chinese language is the pronunciation. You have different tone, which is not the Latin tone, so you don't really understand. Like there is no link directly from a language to another. Like Spanish and French, it's really linked. So I don't understand any word. For example, when they say Fujian Road, it's Fujian Zhao or something, doesn't sound the same. It's so different, like road and tone. The writing is also very difficult. Like you need to be very careful. It's very little. This is why they have big screens, because they need to see like proper symbols, if it's right or not. Like each sign is kind of a letter, so you need to see easily. I try to communicate outside the class, but it's very hard. It takes time. On Sundays, you can go here to parks, and some people are writing directly on the floor with water, Chinese scriptures. I also try to meet some real Shanghai people. They're helping me to improve my Chinese, or just to start, because I don't speak at all. This is the main difficulties here, that I don't speak the language. Moreover, in a business school, most of the time you are practicing, so that means you need to find internships. I started this week to look around internships in France because I'm coming back in January and I want to be ready for new adventure in a company. Why not a big group? So I updated my LinkedIn account. On Tuesday, my German lovely flatmate. So we had dinner together and we talked a bit. We were talking about Chinese food, what about water, because here it's so complicated to have good water and to drink drinkable water. You need to buy water or to boil it, so I drink a lot of tea. We are all three from different universities, so most of the time people are going to Fudan, which is the famous one, Shanghai University. On Wednesday, I started to go out around with a friend. So Federico.
My name is Federico and I studied at SK Business School in Shanghai. I've been a student in business since I was 13. And basically studying business is just keeping update with the world around you, and not only accounting or economy, but what company does and how actually the world goes around. So you basically are in a constant flow of information, debating with your friends and classmates, with teacher, professor, sharing opinions, and probably that will be helpful in your future, because those skills that you develop by team building and updating your knowledge basically would be useful in your daily work life, because basically it's an ongoing learning.
And we went out for lunch for get some ravioli, which is typically Chinese. I went to the business restaurant around the business school and I had a coffee for the afternoon. You know, my coffee target. Friday. Yeah, last day of the challenge. And what about partying for these days? Have you ever party here? I suppose no. This is amazing. You are received like a VIP, very important person. You're not local. They're receiving us.
Tonight, you will become a part of greatest music experience.
It's very attractive to go into a party where some Western people are going to in Shanghai, where I went for partying. People were not really dancing, they were only like sitting down, drinking a lot, buying a lot of expensive things and picking some small fruits, fruity, alcoholic. Also, here people are smoking a lot. When you go out, you need to wear dirty clothes because they're going to smell a lot. People are smoking inside the party, and most of the time it's free for us, free drinks. Be careful on what you drink. Thank you for watching this amazing video. So I can show you next time maybe different point of view. It was a really student point of view. And what about your student life? Maybe you can comment in the comment below. What is your favorite time in the student life? Or what was your favorite moment of your student life? Thank you for watching. I'm continuing to live my student life, but I'm going to explore more about the city of Shanghai and to travel a bit for the next episode. See you next week. Bye! Thank you for watching.